Taiwan earthquake, January 21st, 2025.
我靠，走不了了！我靠！大家住樓啲啦，但初年見到樓嘅咧，即係最有啦，好多人難找唔到。
A powerful earthquake struck many parts of Taiwan today, causing chaos and some significant damage. Roads and building walls cracked from the strong shaking, surprising many. The China Seismological Network officially determined that at 0:17 on January 21st, an earthquake measuring 6.2 on the Richter scale occurred in Tainan City, Taiwan, 23.24 degrees north latitude, 120.51 degrees east longitude. With a focal depth of 14 kilometers. The quake shook buildings in the capital, Taipei. The quake had a depth of 9.4 kilometers, 6 miles. With its epicenter in Dapu township in Chiayi County, and hit shortly after midnight, the weather administration said. The fire department said a handful of people were trapped in damaged buildings in the city of Tainan, and some had already been rescued. The Chiayi Fire Department also said power cuts were reported in some villages, and some buildings were damaged.
靠北地震啊！好晃啊，高雄呢？哦，
小短，
真的假的啦？
你娘地动啊，靠北。地动，你娘。
The earthquake caused strong earthquakes throughout the island of Taiwan. Quanzhou, Xiamen, Fuzhou, Putian and other places felt the earthquake clearly. And there was also earthquake feedback in Ningbo, Shanghai, Hangzhou and other places. Currently, an earthquake measuring 6.2 on the SR occurred in Taiwan and was felt in many places in Zhejiang. Many netizens from Zhejiang took photos of the shaking ceiling lights in their homes. The China Seismological Network officially determined that a magnitude 6.2 earthquake occurred in Tainan City, Taiwan, 23.24 degrees north latitude, 120.51 degrees east longitude, at 0:17 on January 21st, with a focal depth of 14 kilometers. Tremors were felt in Taipei, lasting for over 10 seconds, and several aftershocks occurred after the quake. According to local media reports, 2 people are being rescued after a house collapsed in Tainan. Even in one amateur recording by a resident, thousands of birds scattered when the earthquake occurred. The Science Park in Tainan, home to major factories including of TSMC, opens new tab. Said buildings were evacuated. Taiwan lies near the junction of two tectonic plates and is prone to earthquakes. Taiwan's last major earthquake was in April, a 7.2 magnitude trembler that hit the east coast county of Hualien.
아래の揺れがえぐい。見てモニター。めっちゃ揺れてる。